Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado salsa verde. First, gather your fresh ingredients. About 1 pound of tomatillos, 2 serrano peppers, 1/4 of a white onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. You'll also need 2 ripe avocados, a small bunch of fresh cilantro, and the juice of 1 lime. A little salt and pepper will finish it off perfectly. To start, remove the husks from your tomatillos and rinse them well. Place the tomatillos, serrano peppers, and onion on a baking sheet. You can roast them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until they are softened and slightly charred. Once cooled, transfer these roasted vegetables to a blender or food processor. Add the garlic and lime juice, then blend until you have a smooth salsa base. Now it's time to add the stars of the show. Peel and pit your 2 ripe avocados, then add them to the blender with the salsa base. Toss in your fresh cilantro. Blend everything together until the salsa is creamy and well combined. If you prefer a thinner consistency, you can add a tablespoon or 2 of water to achieve your desired texture. Finally, taste your avocado salsa verde and season with salt and pepper as needed. You can serve this delicious salsa immediately, or for an even richer flavor, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. It's perfect with tortilla chips, on tacos, or alongside your favorite grilled meats. Enjoy this creamy, zesty condiment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.